my name is Anaya, and I am from a group called ARTS, Appreciating, Reviving, and Teaching Skills. Today, I really wanted to go on a bike ride, but I had a flat tire. So, if that ever happens to you, no need to stress, because I'm about to show you how to fix it. The tools you'll be needing for this is a bike air pump, a bicycle, and tires. This part down here makes it so you put your feet on there and you can push it down. This part is where you push down. This wire is where once you push it down, the air goes into it. And this makes sure that the air goes into the tire and stays onto the little twister thing. First thing you're gonna do is find the part on your bike that has a twisty thing so you can unscrew it and screw it back on. This part and twist the cap off. No air will go out. Cap is off. What you need to do is get this part, and put it on there. And then you're just gonna push it down. Put your feet down on that part. Grab this and push it down, and it's gonna go into the tire. Now it's all good. Now you're gonna grab this nozzle and twist it onto there. It's nice and tight, but loose enough to get it off the next time you have a flat tire. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell.